guys, welcome here. So today I am here to invite you in a challenge that we Vancouver mom bloggers and one dad blogger have taken, which is all about 150 kilometers of walk, run or cycling with us starting from June 1st, and you have to do in 3 months. Like, it is ending on 1st of September, so you have 3 months to complete this challenge. It is very doable. I had a plan to do 100 miles in like full summer and spring, but I did complete it just in 2.5 months. Trust me, if I can run or walk 100 miles in 2.5 months, we can definitely do this in 3 months. So here's the challenge. We are not doing it to look certain way, to lose weight or to gain weight. We are just doing it to have a healthy lifestyle. When we will do this for 3 months, it will be definitely in our habit and lifestyle. So we will not make any excuse and do it in our routine. So I am inviting you in this one. If you're accepting this challenge, leave a running emoji in the comment section below. And also I'm gonna tag all the Vancouver mom bloggers and a dad blogger who is doing this challenge with me in down below, so you can check them out. And the dad blogger is James. He has taken a different kind of challenge. It is like he is going to do cycling in a spin cycle. Yeah, that what it is called, I don't know. He has taken a challenge of doing 200 kilometers every single week. So if you're looking for a bigger goal like this, then you can connect with him. Other than that, we are all here, mom bloggers, taking you along with us in the journey. Whenever you're out and deciding to do an Instagram story or a post, you can tag us, like any of us. And also do not forget to put the hashtag 150k together. This way we will be able to see how many people are there in that. It will be so exciting to see you guys joining with us, and I really hope that you are going to take this challenge. Bye bye.